Everyone, Jake here from Jake's Aviation, back with another model unboxing and review video. This time we have the Phoenix models Polar Air 747-800 freighter and kind of the hybrid Polar DHL livery, November 855 Golf Tango. Another nice model to have in the collection. I'm trying to build up my cargo fleet, so I picked this one up. Let's get right on into it. So here's a box, Phoenix models. Classic Phoenix models box, pretty nice. Nice box art. Let's go ahead and take a look at the model. Alright, there it is. Very nice. I don't think they've released an interactive series, like generally just /AC wings of this aircraft. It's back in there, but I just wanted to pick up a normal one. I don't know, the interactive series, I have one. They're alright. I don't think they're really where it's at, in a sense. Like, I'd prefer just the normal regular model, plain model, not the interactive, in my opinion. But yeah, let's open it up. Interesting packaging. This really, Jesus, this one's really stuck on there. Which, I guess that's a good thing. It's packed tightly. Alright, let's go ahead. Good packaging. Oh, beautiful. I haven't got a nice 747-800 in a while. So here we go. Beautiful aircraft. This is going to be a pretty quick review because there's not a whole lot to go over with this, as it's pretty plain. But yeah, just an overall ton of taking a look at it. Pretty good. Looks like the engines are tilted down a little bit. Ever so slightly. It's not a huge deal, but yeah, that's just something I noticed right off the bat. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the detail. Alright, so zoom in here. We got the nose of the aircraft. This is one of those that would have the nose cargo door that opens up, as you can see. Got the cockpit windows there and that little sort of hatch right up the top there. Looking really nice. Some great detail all around here. Oh. Did they? Oh, damn. Yikes, that is all scuffed up. When it focuses, you can see it's all scuffed up right there. That's not good. That is not good at all. It's all scuffed up. I thought that for a second, I was like, oh, it's part of the thing, but no, that's part of the details. Nope, that's just the paint scuffed up there. That's not good. Oh well. Is what it is. I mean, I can live with it, I guess. Say it's wear and tear on the paint of the aircraft. But anyway, you have the main door here. That's pretty much the only door. Just get in and out, go up to the cockpit. That's it right there. 855 on the gear door there, and the gear looks pretty good. Top there, you got a couple, 3 windows there for like where the crew and stuff is, crew rest area and whatnot at the top. Just kind of moving along, Polar titles, some other little details. Got the wings, the engines. I'll have to move this down here. Take a look at it. You can see like they're slightly tilted down, but overall the shape and everything, the engines look pretty decent. The details inside could be a little bit better, like in terms of the fan blades. But good chevrons on the back though and everything. Yeah, just a slightly, ever so slightly like tilted down. Wings are good though, good shape, moving along. Got the American flag at the back, got the upper deck, main deck cargo door at the back there, DHL. 747-400 or 800 freighter, and then the registration November 855 Golf Tango. Plain yellowtail, and then just kind of spinning around, just kind of taking a look at the back on. Looking pretty good back here. Same thing on this side, nothing really except the lower deck cargo doors. Engines actually look pretty good on this side. They're not as tilted. Doesn't look like they're really sanded down on this side. That's interesting. Yeah, just kind of spinning it around. Got the forward cargo door there. But yeah, I'm slightly. There's also, you can see the gap there with the wing right here. There's a pretty decent gap right there. More on this side than there is on this side by the looks of it. And then there's just paint scuff up here, which is kind of disappointing. But as I said, you know, just kind of look at it as like wear and tear of the model, like the real thing might have. And then underneath it's just plain. Some good details and stuff though, like little markings and whatnot. And the gear looks pretty good, all intact, all rolling, pretty nice. So overall, not a bad model. I don't think there's anything too wrong with it. It's got the antennas on the top and whatnot on the bottom, but it's a very plain livery. Just does suck about the slight tilting of the engines, and then the scuffed up paint there. But as I say, you know, I'll kind of look at that paint scuff as though maybe the aircraft, you know, it's just wear on the aircraft. The engines, oh well, it is what it is. It's not super bad. It's not. I've seen worse in terms of Gemini jets, and their rocket ship engines are really tilted or incorrect engines. So yeah, I mean, it's Phoenix models. They're kind of hit or miss. A lot of Phoenix models are, you know, they're all right. I feel like they're just kind of middle of the road overall. Like the shape and everything that I can tell is pretty spot on. The wings are good. There's no like crazy flex or anything, so that's always a good thing. But I always feel like Phoenix models are just, as I say, middle of the road. Nothing crazy, nothing too bad. Just average. But it's a nice model. I'm glad I have it in the collection, and it'll be cool to throw it in the cargo aprons eventually. So yeah. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. I know it's pretty short, but I hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more model unboxing review videos and other content, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys. Bye bye.